In this video, I am going to review the Dream Star Pedicure Kit that I found on Amazon for $9.99. Here is my crusty feet. I soaked my feet in hot water that contained pink Himalayan sea salt and coconut oil. This is the main tool that I used from the pedicure kit. It has one really rough side. My son actually made fun of me and told me that I used a cheese grater on my foot. And to be honest, that's kind of like what it is. But it worked really good and it got all of the dead skin off. I would recommend not going as hard or get as happy with it as I did, because I ended up scraping off a little bit too much. And to be honest, now the bottoms of my feet kind of burn when I walk around. This is the disgusting pile of dead skin that came off both of my feet. Blech. This other little handy tool has a fine side, which is the side that I'm using there. And the other side is a little bit rougher, and I suggest using the side that's a little bit rougher first, but I didn't really know what I was doing at first. I was just trying it out and seeing what happened as it went. And here are my footsies, nice and smooth. I really recommend this pedicure set. It works really good, and I am happy with the first pedicure that I have ever had in my life, which I ended up doing myself.